Elite Pilates teacher training in the UK, in England, and today we are going to be talking about backstroke arms, which is part of our video series which we are doing for our book. So this is our book that we've made for our teacher training, and we are just going through all the exercises so that you know how to teach them. So we're going to come on to our back to start with. I'm not going to go through neutral pelvis and all of that because that is you're going to learn that on your course. So, but you want to make sure that your hips are neutral. Some people may need a cushion, some people may not. I like to have a cushion because it's comfortable. And you're going to start in this position. So, your hands are up towards the ceiling, but what you want to make sure is that we are not overstretching up towards the ceiling. So you want to have the shoulders relaxed down. So from here, you can take a breath in, and you're going to send one hand towards your ankles, and one hand, this hand here, towards the head. So you want to keep the elbow in your peripheral vision. And then as you come up, you're going to change sides. So what we are trying to achieve with this is arms moving without the whole body wiggling. Often you'll get people that are just flapping their arms around. If you are working with integrity in this position, you're going to feel this in your arms, around your shoulders. So I'm just going to sit up quickly. What you're trying to avoid is this. So when people are working their shoulders. So as you come up, is there space? And then as you come up there, is there space? So they need to be pulling the shoulder blades down their back and creating space over there. So when you start teaching and you look at people as, are they doing this? So that is your backstroke arms, rib cage down. If you work with your rib cage down and you send your arms up, if you haven't moved the whole shoulder joint, there's usually a little part, there's something that's a bit sticky there. And that's kind of where you want to work. So it's normally the elbows in the peripheral vision. And then you can bring it back down. So that is backstroke arms for you. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.